Salam Malaysia Madani and a very good day to everyone. I am Kirtika Ramalinga.
I'm Gajisha Punjole.
I'm Harishri Kandan Devanan.
I'm Sari Rasnakumar.
I'm Navina Rajaratnam. We are the BioWizards from SMK Raja Mahadi class.
The BioWizard presents an innovative solution to combat the effects of acid rain, flooding and chemical fertilizers on plant growth through our neutralizer and foliar spray.
Malaysian soils are naturally acidic with pH level typically between 4 and 5. Acid rain caused by air pollution from industrial emission and vehicle exhaust is a significant environmental concern. It depositions chemical compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide onto Earth's surface through precipitation, affecting ecosystem and particularly in plants. Acid rain increases sulfuric and nitric acid levels, altering soil, water, plant tissues pH and reducing crop nutrition. Flooding, particularly in Malaysia, causes financial losses, food shortages, soil nutrition loss, oxygen deficiency, waterlogging and waterborne diseases. Chemical fertilizers are also contribute to transforming ammonium into nitrate. Since the country was hit by COVID-19, most of the citizens are looking for homegrown and healthy vegetables for consumption. This article shows that even government are also encouraging it. How can we restore the soil's pH level and the plant's nutrition?
The primary and popular way to overcome acidic soil is liming the soil. Unfortunately, this method may lead to many side effects such as sinkhole, dust and loss of animals' habitat. So, what will be the best solution? Yes, soil pH stabilization and plant nutrition restoration using natural waste will be the best solution. The materials needed to produce 20 ping pong sized natural neutralizers are 1 kg of cow dung, 400 grams of coconut husk, 400 grams of charcoal, 400 grams of eggshells, 400 grams of tea waste and 1 liter of rice water. All of these materials need to be mixed thoroughly and dried under the sun for a week. All of the materials used are feasible. Now, let's see how this works. This container contains acidic soil that we have collected from Jalan Kebun. As you can see, the pH level is 5.8. Firstly, we will have to dig a hole about half a feet into the soil using a shovel. Then, we will have to take our neutralizer, break it into small pieces and bury it into the soil. Then, we will have to spray our foliar spray onto the soil till it becomes moist. This is the results on day 3. As you can see, the pH level has improved. This is the results on day 6. Now the pH level has increased from 5.8 to 7.2 and the soil is more suitable for farming and plantations. This is the comparison between plants that has been grown in acidic soil with and without our neutralizer. As you can see, the healthy plant has more leaves than the unhealthy plant, since our neutralizer also helps with plant growth.
As a twinning project, we have also came out with a foliar spray which is made up of molasses, fruit waste, cultured prebiotic milk, rice water and neem leaves. This contains countless of effective microorganisms. Effective microorganisms are a mixture of bacteria which is made up of natural fermentation process without any genetic chemical modification. The good bacteria inhibits the pathogenic bacteria in the soil ecosystem.
Cow dung's nitrogen content 70-80% enriches the soil, while its pH bufferability gradually leads soil towards neutrality. Eggshells provide valuable calcium carbonate to enhance pH and plant calcium levels. Tea waste fosters microbial activity for nutrient breakdown and pH regulation. Coconut husk acts as both a soil aerator and moisture retainer, while also serving as an excellent fiber source. Rice water is mineral rich and acts as a nutrient-packed fertilizer and pH regulator. Its amino acids and carbohydrates boost the plant's immunity. Lastly, charcoal improves soil structure by increasing its porosity and water holding capacity. It also helps us to reduce odor from our neutralizer.
Now, let's see how this works. For this project, I have used several key components. Firstly, we have used the Arduino Uno, Wi-Fi module, moisture sensor, breadboard, wires, battery, relay module and a water pump. Firstly, when the moisture sensor detects the moisture of the soil, now since the soil is moist, so it sends a signal to the Arduino Uno and that triggers the water pump to not send foliar spray to the soil. Now, if the soil was dry, then the Arduino Uno would have detected the signal and would have sent a command to the water pump to channel the foliar spray to the soil. Other than that, the user could also use our app to on and off and control the flow of foliar spray to the soil, like this. And off.
The key benefits of our innovation are neutralize the acidity of the soil and regain its nutrients, low-cost homemade neutralizer to be used in home gardens, eco-friendly and organic neutralizer, reduces waste going into landfills, reduces greenhouse gases emission and increase crop productions.
This is the lab test that we got from UPM, Mahadi and Cambly Laboratory. All these lab tests shows that soil pH level has improved after using our neutralizer. This is the CSR project and pilot project that we did in Morib, Selangor, Jalan Kebun, Selangor, home garden in Bandar Puteri, Selangor. This is the letter of permission that we got from SMK Raja Mahadi to use the school compound as a testing ground. This is the feedback letter that we got from a farm owner after using our neutralizer. This is the comparative studies that we did from a plant that used our neutralizer to grow and a plant that grows naturally. Our innovation also supports United Nations Sustainable Development Goals such as goal number 3, good health and well-being. The plants that grow in our neutralized soil are chemical free and high in nutrients. Hence, these produce healthy vegetables to be eaten on a daily basis. We are also supporting goal number 15, life on land. By using our neutralizer to neutralize the soil, we are protecting and promoting a sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem. We are also supporting Malaysia's plan to achieve net zero by the year 2050 by using natural waste. There are many options for fertilizer, and sometimes the choice may seem overwhelming. Soil-based stabilization and plant nutrition restoration using natural waste is always best for your garden plant. We are signing off with a tagline:
Food security is a national security. Thank you.